How to drag and drop audio into AudioMass. First of all, open your web browser and go to the AudioMass website. AudioMass is a free, browser-based audio editor that lets you work with sound files without installing any software. Next, locate the audio file you want to edit on your computer. This could be in your downloads folder, desktop, or any other location where you store your audio files. Now, simply click and hold the audio file, then drag it over to the AudioMass web page. You will see a message that says copy with a plus icon. Once you drop the audio file, AudioMass will load it automatically and you will see the waveform of your audio on the screen. After the file loads, you can start editing right away, trimming, cutting, or applying effects as you like. If you want to add more audio files, just repeat the same drag and drop process. Remember, dragging and dropping audio files saves you from manually browsing folders inside the editor, making the whole process faster and more convenient. And that's it. Now you know how to drag and drop audio into AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.